Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove object from photo in Gimp. It will be really simple and easy. So first of all, you need to download this plugin right here on GitHub. It's called the Resynthesizer. So download this plugin. Then you have to export it or install it as well. Then what you want to do is go to Edit, Preferences, and then we want to do here is see the file location for your plugins. Let's use this file location right here. Now I can copy paste this location as you can see. And now when you are in this folder right here, open up this folder right here and copy paste all of these contents into the plugins folder. Now from here just close GIMP and then reopen it. Now just select the object you want to remove, go to filters, enhance, heal selection, and you have to click OK, and you will see that the object is removed from your photo. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to remove an object in GIMP. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.